Okay, I'm going to show you how to dimension your holes that are screw holes properly. So I already talked about how this needs to be an actual screw hole and not a extrusion in there. And this is where it's going to come in. So to dimension this properly, I want it to look like this right here. Just so that I can see it on my screen, I made a little screenshot of it. So I've got the same thing that I want to show up over here, and I'm going to show you how that works out. So what I need to do is I'm under Annotate and Holes, and I click on one of them. I click on the hole, and I pull it out here. Okay. Now notice that this gets me basically this top line. It adds the extra part here, which we're going to go ahead and leave. But I'm missing this other part at the bottom here. I need to be able to edit this part. So if I highlight over it and I'm picking this up, then I can just double click on this, and it brings up this note that we have here. What I need to add is this tap drill. And that's, you notice it adds the little symbol here of how far down it goes. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. It did it like this. Well, I put this on top and I put that on bottom. And I also have the diameter of the extra threads, which I don't need over here. So I'm going to try to make this look like that. So I'm going to come back over here, double click it. And if I click on, instead of use default, if I take that off, I can rearrange this. So I'm going to take this part, Control C to copy it, and move that up to the top. Now let's look at what that did. Okay, it switched the top and the bottom. That's looking better. Double click again. I want to also get rid of this first diameter part because I don't need it here. That's this part right here. And I want to add in this times 4 to show that that's actually talking about 4 holes. So I'm going to put that on there. Click OK. This now looks like this one, so we're good. Then I'm going to go click off of here, and we're good for that. You want to repeat the same kind of process for each one of these holes that it's showing here on this part. This one down here, that one there, this one here, and make sure each one of them looks proper. Okay, that's it for holes.